What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this wouldn't be a day if I didn't talk about Shiba Inu today. So I think I didn't mean to rhyme there, but I did. I guess it's the same word, day and today, but you know, I'm a lyrical genius. Anyways, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu in this video. I think what we need to really talk about is this whole burn concept. I talked about it in my last video, and I think what I'm getting questioned on the most is like how much we can see a burn and how much of an impact will it be? Because I did see some comments saying that a 10% burn would impact this a heck of a lot and it would increase the price a crazy amount. Well, I don't necessarily think that. It wouldn't increase the price potential by a crazy amount. It would increase the price potential, obviously, seeing some that's burned off. But we obviously saw an addition of 150 trillion coins at one point, and the price was still the same because people believed that the supply was wrong. However, the supply was not wrong. So we didn't see any real impact there with 150 billion or 150 trillion coins that were added to the supply because of miscommunication, right? So before we get started in this, guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the links down below. I'm going to be creating a new store with new merch and all that stuff. It's going to be really great, and I can't wait to get all of the different items that we would have and show them off and all that stuff. It'll be really, really fun. So definitely check out some of the links down below. Also, if you want to join Patreon, shout out to all the Patreon members that support me every single day that I post a video. So thank you guys again and again and again and again. And I will say it until life ends, right? Thank you. I appreciate it. So anyways, what we're going to do today, again, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu coin. And I think I need to do that. Yeah, Shiba Inu coin. And I think instead of really breaking down, we can go through what the price did, today later. But what we're going to do is we're going to break down this. Now, let me go ahead and hide all of this stuff here so we can only focus on, Shiba Inu coin. I don't know how many I have below this. I may have a lot. I tend to create all of these different spreadsheets just because I want to understand the potential of a lot of things. And I decided to take it a step up, right? I decided to look at it and break down maybe with a burn rate here for just Shiba Inu to understand exactly what needs to be burned off and how much we will be burning off every year if we did have that. Now, I posted something on YouTube asking people how much do you think 2022 burn rate will be, and a lot of people said 10% would be a massive impact, to the actual to the price and to the supply and to the movement of Shiba Inu. And I said that I don't necessarily agree. I believe that we're going to see somewhere in the range of 20, maybe even as high as 50% of a burn. And if we don't see that, then we obviously are going to see that other years, because in order to get that to a level to where it's a reasonable amount for that price, we're going to need to see or get to a reasonable price for the amount of supply that they have. We need to get it to a certain supply, right? So currently, if we look at this, we're going to see that the max supply here is 589. Now, what are we looking at? We have the supply, we have the price, we have the market cap. You know that market cap equals supply multiplied by price, right? And that's how you get to the current market cap that it actually is at, which we will get into maybe the detail if we have time after the fact, but I don't know if we will. But basically, when we look at something like this whole spreadsheet is going to take this number, the 589 number. Let me see if I can increase the size of this. I guess that's not going to work there. Go down here and just hit plus. Yeah, we can basically. So here we go. This 589 number. This is going to be multiplied by the burn rate of 5%. Now, 5% is low compared to everything that I said. I said that it would be less than 10%, 25%, 50%, 75%, or nothing. And there was a bunch of people that said nothing, which is definitely something that could happen as well. However, they said that they were looking to burn some because they wanted to enter the metaverse. So I'm thinking at least 2% to be burned, right? If they want to take it small time, then they can do that. But I would like to see around 20%. But here we go. If we have 5% here, we burn off for the first year, we're going to see 29 trillion that's burned off. People would say that's amazing, 29 trillion that's burned off. But remember, we had an impact where we added 150 plus trillion coins to the supply and nothing really happened. Yes, eventually we started to see that price decrease while people realized that that circulating supply was real. And, they added all this supply out there. It was holding at 8,000, or 0.00008,000 cents per coin, right? Um, and we didn't really see much of an impact to it just because, popularity stayed the same. People still held onto the coin. It still was great. However, as we had time go on, the price started to decrease. People started to fall off and all that stuff there. So 29 trillion is not going to be that big of an impact because that changes it from looking at 20 point or $21 billion market cap to a $20 billion market cap. It's not going to be that massive of a change with the supply change like that. Now, if we also look at down the list, right, this basically takes this price or this supply and multiplies it by the 5% and says the next year we're going to decrease it by another 26, 25, 23, 22, 21, 20, right, all the way down to 411 trillion. That's after 7 years. 7 years, and that will be decreased down to $411 trillion or trillion supply. That's not going to make a dent at all. That's really not. It's basically decreasing that by 170 or 180 trillion coins, which we're getting back down to the level to where we were at 394 trillion. So is that making a massive impact? No. Well, let's look at 10%. They said 10% will be the deciding factor to get down to a certain level. Well, this does get us down in 7 years. It gets us down to a level of 281 trillion, which is definitely a better point to be at. If we're looking at 1 cent, we'll look at $2.8 trillion market cap, which is definitely possible in 7 years. We don't know where the crypto market will be. But if we look at something where we actually jump to 20%, we're actually seeing it get to lower and lower levels in the fact of 7 years. Now, I was thinking, hey, they would have something like, just say they burn 50% per year. And that's a stretch, but they obviously could do that. And that could always be a setup to where it's like, all right, this is a long-term play. We're burning 50% per year. And it's something that they're not going to make known, because if people know that they're burning 50% per year at every single moment that they burn it, they're going to hold on to the position and just wait for this to hit higher highs and all that stuff. And that's what I'm thinking. I'm holding on to it, and there's going to be no announcement of them burning 50%. They're just going to find a way to do it every year. And I think if they burn off 50%, basically in the first year, they're going to burn off 294 trillion, and they're going to burn off all the way down to about 4.6 trillion in 7 years. 4.6 trillion in 7 years. If I actually add some rows here, let me see if I can add some rows or just move this. I don't know why I did that. Oh, I have some things right below it. Let me unhide this stuff. That's the problem that you have when you hide things. Unhide it, and then what we'll do is that's not going to work. I wanted to move all this stuff. I guess I'll just whatever. I'll insert some rows. I'm trying to figure out what it would be in 10 years, which I could do. And if I thought about it, pre-recording this video, then I would do it there. But not really thinking about it. Let's just go ahead and bring this down and see what's going on. I believe that's 10. Yeah, that'll be in 10. So in 10 years, that'll be down less than $1 trillion or 1 trillion supply, which means that if you're looking at a 1 cent supply or 1 cent price, you're looking at $5.7 billion market cap, which is insanely low, right? We're excited to see it at that level. Now you can see it at point maybe 10 cents, and it gets to $57 billion market cap, right? Again, you don't know if this is going to happen, but I would love to see a 50% burn. And hopefully I broke this down well enough for you guys so that you guys can understand exactly where I'm coming from here. I don't see a 5% burn being a major impact. I don't see a 10% burn being a major impact in the next 10 years. I see levels of an average of, 40, 50% burn in the next 10 years in order to see a massive impact to this. And who knows what will be realistic when it comes to the peak market cap and if this will still have popularity. However, I think that we will see a consistent burn off to remain popular. And what will happen in the future, this will turn into something big, a really, really big. And just to remain relevant, because once it falls off, it falls off. And if they can find a way to burn off most of the coins, I think we'll be set up for success there. So you let me know what you think about this position. I understand how difficult it could be to say 10 years from now I'm going to make, $9 million. But that's amazing to hear. If you had any investment that guaranteed you to make $9 million, I'm not saying this absolutely guarantees you to make $9 million. I'm saying if you had an investment that said they can make you $9 million in the next 10 years, you would be happy about that. But and you only had to invest $270, it can turn it into $9 million. That would be amazing. However, a lot of people see this as a short-term play and they want to see it all happen in 2022. And I don't think we'll see that. I don't think we'll see a 90% burn in 2022. I think we're going to see something on the line of between 20 and 50%. That's what I'm thinking. So you let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel, as well as becoming a Patreon member if you want shout outs in the videos, and also all of the different content that we have across Patreon and the Discord group and all of that stuff. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.